This is the Fifine Amplitank 3, a dynamic cardio microphone made for podcasters, streamers, content creators, and more, with a more traditional look but with a great sound quality and build. Also, the audio that you are listening right now is a raw sound from the Amplitank. So in this video, we are gonna go ahead and review and add some EQ to maximize the potential of the Amplitank 3. And also we're gonna be testing on a USB also, because this is also XLR. And also in my end of this video, I'm gonna share if you this is gonna be an option for you to buy to add to your setup and stream. Hello and thank you for watching this video. My name is Rodrigo, and for disclaimer, Fifine sent this microphone for review to our channel, and like any other review, I will give you my honest opinion on either you should invest your hard work money into this product. And since we're talking about money, this microphone cost $89, but you can also use the code 15 Fifine Tank for a 15% discount on your purchase, which the links is gonna be on the description below. The Amplitank 3 comes with a manual and an 8.2-foot USB-C to USB Type-A cable, since you can also use this microphone in either XLR mode or USB mode. The build of the Amplitank 3 is pretty solid, literally solid. It weighs 1.3 pounds. It does feel really premium with a great build quality. The color of this mic is really beautiful. The black made with a gray mesh does give you this mic a really modern and professional look into any setup, especially with this half bracket design right here, which I never seen any mics out there so far. So let me know in the comments if you know any other mic out there that does have this kind of unique half bracket on the microphone, which I think is pretty cool. Now the outputs of this mic are XLR and USB-C, so you can use it either with a mixer with XLR connection or directed to your PC using the USB and also the 3.5mm jack for a headphone. Also, the Amplitank 3 have a very nice, good quality volume knobs right here on the side of the microphone for your headphone and monitoring. And those knobs are really good quality. It's not like a plastic or anything. It's really sturdy, and definitely this microphone is a very good quality build that I've been seeing so far. So right now we're gonna be testing the microphone. The quality of what you hear right now again is the raw sound. That is no compressor, EQ, anything on this microphone. Also, the knobs only gonna work if you connect it to USB-C to your computer. So the mute button does not work when you connect it to XLR. So just bear in mind that when you connect this with XLR, you're probably gonna connect in a mixer, and then you can mute over there, and that's probably how you're going to use this microphone. But if you wanna connect this through USB-C, you can use the knobs and all the stuff that you can control on the microphone. So right now I'm gonna test on XLR. We are connecting through XLR to my GOXLR, which it does not have any EQ, nothing on it. It's just passing through my PC. So right now I'm gonna do some closes. Also, this microphone have a little protection inside. Is like a little foam that does protect for plosives. Suggest to get something to actually protect the plosives. But if you speak it correctly on the microphone, not entirely in the front of the microphone, but like a little bit on the side, the plosives will going to help to not emerge to the sound of the audio that you're gonna send to your viewers. So right now, if I say picker, packer, parker, picker, packer, parker, picker, packer, parker, now I'm speaking a little bit on the side. This is how you reject the size of the microphone. If I go close to the microphone, you're gonna see that the capsule is cardiac, picking up right from the front of the microphone. And if I go on the side like this, you probably not be able to hear much, but right here is where you wanted to speak on this microphone. Now I'm going to be testing if I'm going to type on the keyboard. I have a fairly quiet keyboard. If you do have a keyboard that's a little bit noise, so it's going to be different from each occasion. But right now I am going to type something, and let's see how it say. Right, this is how it sounds if you're typing something. I'm really hammer on the keyboard, by the way. So you capture everything because there's no EQ or anything. So you definitely want to use this keyboard with some EQ or any background removal, which you can use on a mixer if you do gonna connect XLR, or you can use as well a free software on USB-C that we're gonna also be testing, and you're gonna hear right now how this microphone sounds with a USB-C with no EQ or any background removal. All right, so right now you're listening to this microphone through USB-C. Basically what you're getting for basically using this microphone through your computer to USB-C, you got the mute button right here. I'm just gonna mute so you can have a look and actually a sensation how the noise of the mute button does when you press it. So I'm gonna go ahead and release right now. It now is mute. And also the volume right here, there's two volumes right in here. One is for your monitor if you want to connect it straight to your headphone here, or if you wanted to use it as your volume as well right here. So my volume right now here is on half, 50% on this microphone, and I can go ahead and put a little bit louder if you want to it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it 50. That's what you're getting right now. And the OBS right now with the 50, you are getting pretty much like all in the green part right now. So it's not that loud yet, but you can put them a little bit more loud. So the microphone is pretty good. You're not gonna be peaking too much if you put this all the way to 100, but I suggest to put always like between 50 to 70% on the microphone and in your OBS all the way up there, and adjust what you want. But this is how it sound raw on the OBS, or for sound raw using USB-C. And also if I'm going to speak on the side, this is how it's rejecting noise on the side if I speak like that, and the other side as well. But this is, like I say, speaking correctly right in front of the microphone and pick it up all that. And also the plosives that I'm gonna pick, this is testing plosives, pick, you know, it will actually it does help a little bit, but like I say, it's always depend on you. If you wanted to add as well a pop filter after this microphone and the top, but it sounds really good. Actually, this is a really raw good sound on the USB-C type of microphone. So yeah, so this is how it sounds if you connect directly to the PC with no EQ or any plugins. All right, so also right now we're gonna go ahead and test with the keyboard noise when you use this microphone without any plugins or EQ. So I'm gonna type a couple things right now, just typing. Like I said, my keyboard is not as loud as some other keyboards are, and but this is just a test, just so you can see how the microphone pick it up with no noise cancellation or anything, which I highly recommend it to add to any microphone instead of use all raw, just to at least to take all the background or keyboard or humbly when if you touch on the boom arm like this, something that actually helps to not have the background or any other noise. But this microphone, to be honest, by far, as far as I know, on USB-C and raw sound, it does sounds really good, and it's very natural that you can EQ either for more low or more highs depending on your voice. All right, so we're back again with the microphone on an XLR mode, and now with some EQ and background removal with the GOXLR. And this mic is really good to add a EQ since it's a very neutral sound, meaning that it's not a mic that's focused on the highs or in the lows, but more like in a natural balanced sound, which is really good for equalization, making this mic sound even better. So for those that want to have this mic on USB mode, you can also EQ with a great software like Sonar, Voice Meter, or even OBS only with the plugins built in the OBS Studio. So my final opinion and recommendation is for those that want to get a great microphone, quality not only for the audio but also by the build, and also a more sudden color build design that look super professional. I think the Amplitank 3 is a great option. And also I forgot to mention, but this microphone is super compact that you can take this anywhere with you. Like if you're traveling, you want to have a spare microphone, this is a great microphone. It's very compact, so you can put anywhere, so it doesn't take too much space. So, and actually with the price, I definitely recommend this microphone for all those features and the quality it does offer. If you wanted to check this video here where I show different mics being enhanced with the OBS Studio plugin, just click over there. For more reviews and microphones on our channel, check this playlist right here. And again, thank you so much for staying all the way to the end and watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.